How to turn on Kick Days notifications on on Reddit. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you just go to Reddit and open it. And after this, when you're ready that it's opening, you will just go here, click, and then go to settings and click, and after this go to the first option, account settings, and then go down or just go to manage notifications, click, and go down to Kick Day and turn on this option by clicking here. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.